Imagine sipping a warm, earthy, slightly spicy drink with a hint of sweetness that not only tastes great, but also is a secret key to help lowering cholesterol that Big Pharma does not want you knowing about. This is turmeric milk, also known as golden milk, a potent mix of turmeric and milk. Curcumin, the magic ingredient in turmeric, holds the key to its medicinal properties. But why just imagine when you can create this wonder in your own kitchen? In a pot, heat 1 cup of milk, plant or dairy based. Add a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper. This is key as it enhances curcumin absorption, making it even more powerful, and honey for sweetness. Simmer for a few minutes, strain, and voila! Your golden milk is ready. This dynamic duo of milk and turmeric is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a boon for your health. Supporting immunity, heart health, and even respiratory issues, it's a key natural way to lower cholesterol. So why wait? Embrace the golden goodness for overall well-being. Remember, health is wealth. Enjoy your golden milk. Your heart will thank you. For more info, tips, and Going Green products and ideas, head on over to drgreengeek.com. Together we can heal you and the planet. See you there.